welcome to our next game. Mighty Warriors of God Karkar versus Handshake Sports Apparel Parili. First 5 plays presented to the center. Caballero. Caballero naman tries to attack. Layup. Tira pa rin. John. Tangan ng bola. Esumbay. Balik kay Senyeres. Senyeres Sumbay. Kumbay to Cañete. Agawan ng bola. Cañete save the ball. Pull up. Jumper. Bam! Prince. There against Borgoña from the corner. Nigid. Umbay. Officer Briton. Umbay. Pasa kay Borgoña. Pangalawang pagkakataon. 2 points. March. Borgoña. Caballero takes pass to Cañete. Underneath. Easy bucket. Easy 2 points. Prince. Cañete. Umbay. Senyeres underneath. Successful shot. Skid. Triple complete. Running score 10 all. 1 point connected. 0. Caballero controlling the ball. Basa kay Vigo. 18 seconds shot. Vigo naman stop and fires. 2 points. Mr. Rebound. Pasa kay Vigo. Vigo naman nagmamadali. Vigo tira pass to Langbid. Pumeke. Langbid step back. Pulling away. Short tira. Caballero naman. Second chance. Vasquez. Pampandang tira. Check. 1 minute and 36 seconds. 1 point. Seven. 1 point connected. Esther down. Caballero kompleto. Pico na basahan ang gawa ng bola. Here comes Caballero naman. Caballero. Eurostep. Again. Using his body. Well. 1 point connected. Destro is complete. May tangan ng bola. 15 seconds. Vasquez pull the trigger. Reverse layout. By controlling Vasquez Nieres. Again from the baseline. Cross court pass to Umbay. Umbay fake pass. Umbay tries to attack. Has to free line. Using again. Kapitan controlling the ball. Pass to Umbay. Balikan ng Kapitan. Fake pass. Umbay na naman. Gustong bumawi for 3. Bam! 3 points. Last time remaining. Senyeres to Caballero. Tumabit at naman. What a nice pass. Nice play. Running jumper. John Nino Caballero the ball. Umbay 2 versus ang labanan. Umbay na naman. Circle shot is good. Cañete looking for his teammates. Abay na naman. Boy Kain na naman. Gusto ng Lopos. Inararo lahat. 2 points. Boy Kain. 1-1 ang labanan. Senyeres na naman. Layup is good. Score 39-33. Favor of Mighty Warriors. Umbay balik kay Caballero. Hiningi ni Cañete. Cañete naman. Pumukol. Free throw line is good. Prince Cañete. Senyeres. Pampa ng bola. Caballero. Pumeke. Balik kay Senyeres. Senyeres. Pull the trigger. Nigit. Cañete naman. Footback. Yes sir. Prince Cañete. Umbay na naman. Controlling Umbay. Using his body. Senyeres underneath. Strong finish. Pumukol. Prince Cañete. Vigo controlling the ball. 45-40. 5-point lead. Mighty Warriors of God. Caballero pull the trigger. Nigel. Cañete na naman using his body. Basket and 1. 25 seconds. 20-second shot clock. Senyeres from the Rainbow Country. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Umbay ng Caballero. Vasquez na naman. From the corner. Wala pa rin. Umbay na naman. Ang second chance. Langbid from the baseline. Too strong. Cañete na naman using his body. Fade away. Hirap na tira. Pasok pa rin yan. Naboyo. Down. Side step. Left-handed. Yes sir. John. Again, Caballero naman using his body. Cañete. Pump fake. Side step. 14 seconds shot deck. Caballero to Senieres. Senieres from way downtown. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Pagkapisar sa nila na using his body. Pasa kay Caballero on the baseline. Pumukol. Wala pa rin. Senieres on the baseline. Yes, sir! Nice score ulit. 65 all.
Boy, paan.
0-0.
Ayaw, pagkasa. Maka mo lang.
Caballero na naman. Kick up pass.
Benga lang. Nice one.
18 seconds shot deck. Caballero controlling the ball. Pass to Boy Cain. Spin cycle.
Hinay lang.
Caballero, pass natin Boy. Balik kay Caballero to Senieres. Senieres controlling. Nakawala sa depensa. Senses sa ball.
Ano, G?
What a...
Second ikaw, Obay.
Caballero controlling.
Yung outfit yung Spiderman.
10 seconds shot deck.
Kaya!
Kanawa sa
1 point connected. 20 seconds shot deck. Yes, 1 minute. Boy na naman. Boy na naman.
Yeah! Nice
1 point connected.
Sabah.